Big happy fucking family now. Where are we going, kids?
Representative or a TV monitor inside the terminal for the most up-to-date gate information. On behalf of Delta Sky Team and our global partners, especially your Salt Lake City-based flight crew, thanks for sharing your journey with us. It's been a pleasure having you on board. We look forward to the opportunity to serve you again soon. Thanks again. Have a great rest of your day.
Salt Lake City, I think.
These planes can get quite warm on the ground, so please can everyone do us a favor. Reach up, make sure all your air vents are open. That'll really help keep the cabin temperature down. Also, please close your window shades.
3 days of race car.
Thanks again. Welcome to
Hell
Minneapolis.
yeah, brother. We're in Minneapolis. And look at our special guest over here. It's Core Motorsports. See, it just allows you to walk a little taller. We're leaving Minneapolis now, right?
Salt Lake City.
To the look of our 80,000 professionals. We're always working to make it. Hello. Welcome aboard.
Pay close attention to this important safety message.
We're going race car.
We're proud to be a part of your journey and innovating new ways to serve you as you embark on your
I
travel.
like that girl.
Our first priority best it can be.
Corey's over there being professional.
Detachable slides that can be used.
The power and cabin visibility is reduced. Lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit.
Please note that exit signs on this airplane identify.
Sport mode initiated. This thing's naturally aspirated. We're gonna do it too. There we go. Really cool to it. That's foreign power right there. Well, they were eating nine all good. Man, I sure hope we lift off the ground. What if we don't? If it doesn't lift up, then what do we do? What do we do? We die. Here we go. Next stop, Salt Lake City, Utah. 1,300. Satellite imagery. We back off and get our stats. 2 hours, 20 miles. That's crazy cruise. That's booking it. I think she runs on E85. This is Mark's first time on a city bus. You gotta be jacked up. We're down real race cars. Like the boss.
I'm trying to be mellow right now, so I can save pro.
He's bringing it down a notch. He took 22 Xanaxes before he got on the plane. No joke. No.
Well, we thought we were going to get farther than we did today, but this goddamn splitter, this cheap-ass part from Ford here, the Shelby part, the plastic's so weak that the nut certs were spinning and then they want to just come through, so we had to put a drill hole back out, put a washer around. Hopefully that'll take care of it. Fucking junk. So, we got it all ready to go back together. Fucking Brian.
Oh yeah.
Getting these clips off of that old one was a bitch too, but it's getting there. Rear brakes are on this side, left side. We didn't have all the stuff to do the right side. And we need the brake lines, but we'll get that taken care of. What's that? What? bye, fuckers. Hey, forgot to tell you. Fuck you.
It's a little flat again.
Hey, from 35,000 feet, fuck you.
Both to their upright and locked positions. Check the security of your seatbelts and lower your aisle armrests. Larger electronic devices such as laptop computers do need to be stowed at this time. Feel free to use your handheld devices as we land and taxi to the gate. Finally, please check around your seats and seat pockets for any items you'd like to discard.
So here's your pen. I'll have you fill out the top. And since you and I'm like, oh.
So we're doing the race keepers, like fire creepers. So is that glass supposed to be broke, or is that?
It is. It's
right.
Designed that way.
Just making sure.
Oh.
It's the same thing. 18-inch wheels. Pretty close. They got the low wheels on it though. Holy cow, it looks just like ours. You got your fancy pants little Corey Deeds divider right there.
You know, I did notice, I do like the pole. That's a good idea. See where they did the door pull? They just replaced the cable. I'm going to send it to Niall.
Oh,
See
yeah.
that?
And then you just pull it?
Yeah, it's pretty slick. I mean,
Yeah.
that's what we're going to do. Dude, that's
That's
pretty slick, yeah.
Yeah, you see that
Take a picture of that. I'll take a picture of it.
MLX2. We'll see what chassis number they are back in there. Very schmucking flick. Get around to the other side. Shelby Exotics here in Utah.
Salt Lake.
Are we in Salt Lake or are we in Thule? Thule. Waiting for Corey to get some beverages. Chilling. That's right. Which we're not going to consume in the vehicle. So we're going to flip around here a hot minute, show you some scenery. There we are. Kind of pretty, especially since that haze is lifted. Got mountains and stuff all around. Well, welcome to Shelby Exotics. We are here at the GT350 Track Attack in Utah. We got one of our good subscribers out here with us and a few buddies, Corey and Mark. We're gonna go out and rip some shit up. We got first up some cone work. I guess it's gonna teach us some apex in the corners and things like that, so that should be fun. Other than that, we're gonna let you kind of enjoy the scenery, what we got going on. We got Corey here in the rear view mirror, way back there in the black and red one, so it should be good.